Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to change your Netflix profile name. So let's get started. First, open the Netflix app on your device. Tap on the My Netflix option from the bottom right corner of your screen. In the My Netflix section, you will see your current Netflix profile icon. Tap on it. Tap on the Manage Profile option from the bottom of your screen. Now, select the profile in which you want to change your profile name. In the profile settings, you can see the profile name section. Clear your current profile name and enter the new profile name. Finally, tap on the Done button to save the changes. And that's it. This is how you can change your Netflix profile name. Thank you for watching TechBase. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.